Yep. His boat.
So you get started today.
Oh, really?
So we'll have memories.
Yeah. Gusty goes fishing. I want to steal some from you and post it on on YouTube.
Well, you could, the memory card will have everything.
Oh,
My
okay.
phone will store everything too.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's okay. I'll just whatever on the memory. But it goes to your phone though. What's on here? Okay, cool. Don't have to be scared about losing the stuff on here. Cool. I want to go do a tour. This is the boat. We're in the boat harbor. High tide. We're gonna take off July 1st. Good rain. Anton. This is Jimmy's boat, Jimmy Andrews. And look, there's Ray Andrews' boat. JC. Huh? Yep, making a movie. What's up, Robert? Wave at the camera. Having a meeting. Oh, JC! Busted. Is it full or almost empty? Darn. Robbie! Anthony! Woo! Cool, how look at GoPro. I'm making a movie.